I'm going to show you how to make a twine wrapped Glade candle. Right, for this DIY you need some type of trim. I'm using this twine. You could use a thin rope or something, but something like this. Mod Podge, and this is just a store-bought candle that I've used quite a bit, but it has to have a glass container because the Mod Podge will stick real nice to that. And that's all you need to make this. You want to start coating your glass in small spots and then start wrapping the twine around it, and then you want to continually add Mod Podge to the twine, and Mod Podge will dry clear, so don't worry about making a mess. And I sealed the end up with some Mod Podge just to keep it from unraveling, and then you just wrap it around and just keep wrapping it up. Adding more Mod Podge as needed. You're going to have it on the glass and on top of the string as well, and it is going to make a mess, but it'll be easy to clean. It's easier to clean once it's dry because you can just scrape it off with a little blade or something. I used a little X-Acto blade to clean mine off once I got it dried up, but I don't have that in the video. But I mean, it's really very simple. So you got to work kind of fast because Mod Podge does dry pretty quickly, but I find it's the best glue to use. I suppose you could use a hot glue gun, but I just don't think you get a nice solid finish at the end. And you can't work quite fast enough. With hot glue you got to work super fast, but with Mod Podge, just fast, not super fast. I only wrap about halfway up, and then I cut it and just make sure it's coated real good in Mod Podge. I turn it upside down and let it dry that way. And I let it dry overnight just to make sure it got good and dry because I did use quite a bit on the outside.
Right now I got it
and there it is. I put it upside down to dry because if I didn't put it upside down it would dry onto the surface and stick to
under
it.
and above with
And it looks kind of messy right here, but I clean it up real nice.
This part right here at the beginning is giving me some problems.
That part right there was very difficult to keep in place. And there is the finished product.